Good morning, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters. 407-267-5886. We are here at Petro Choice Lubrication Solutions on the very corner of Orange Avenue and Sand Lake Road. I made a video when we first began this project. We're painting all of their metal silos here, and it's been kind of chaotic. We've been here for about, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 days altogether, but we're just, as everyone knows, it's July 28th 2015, and it is raining every single day. So all the tanks are pressure washed except for the back side of about 3 of them over on that tank farm there. This is tank farm 1, tank farm 2. All these tanks over here, they're almost fully primed. I don't really get too concerned about the weather. It's extremely overcast right now and low clouds. It'll be raining at some point here this morning, I'm sure. But we're using a 2-part epoxy primer. We're full priming them, and then we're gonna top coat them with a 2-part polyurethane. We got a couple tanks over there to complete. Those very tall ones there, those 3, we're not painting those 3, and these 3 very tall ones we're not painting either. They're newly installed, so they have some black streaks on them. We're going to try to get some of them black streaks off there for them, but we're not touching those 6. There's I think like 33 silos here. We're actually painting 27 of the 33. Like I said, they're over there priming. All the tops of those ones over there are really extremely corroded. So the guys have been here. They've been, you know, using angle grinders with attached metal grinding discs and wire wheels and stuff like that. And all the tops are grinded down, or ground down, I should say. And they're all have a 2-part epoxy primer applied to them. They got a few more to do, and they should be done with all the tops. As you can see, all the sides, all the way around the silos, on most of those are completed full primed as well. There's still a few more to go, but I don't like to just spot prime when we're doing metal silos. I had the guys go around and spot prime all of them. You can see there's primer marks all over the place. I have them spot prime it, and then I have them come, you know, the next day or the day after and completely full prime it. So it's getting, you know, 2 layers of a high build 2-part epoxy primer over all the corroded areas. Because when you spot prime, I mean, you should. When you see rust areas, you should attack it immediately and then do your full prime. But if you just leave it spot primed and then you spray your finish coat over the top, 2 things can happen. One, that's a high build primer that you spot primed with, so it may look, even when you spray your 2-part polyurethane, you may see exactly where you put on that high build epoxy primer. So you might see the outline of that whole spot primed area. So to me, I want these silos to look like these. Nice, beautiful, smooth factory finish. Now, some of these silos over here, I mean, I'm talking, I don't know how old. They could be 50, 60, 70, 80 years old. I don't know. There's tons and tons of different coatings on it. A lot of it's peeling. I mean, we were pressure washing. The flakes were going all over the place. So there's a lot of areas where, you know, the paint's just, you're never going to make them look good. I mean, they'll be shiny white, but you can't control what the substrate. I mean, see all those imperfections, and there's a lot more. I mean, see all the different layers, and look at this tank here, all the way up. It's in real bad shape. Some of these are real bad, so, but they understand that, and you know, we're doing the best we can. It's like here, like this is all spot prime. All these areas you see with all these marks, they're a rust. So we'll spot prime them, and then they'll full prime them, and then we'll spray them with a, you know, it's basically a high gloss, 2-part polyurethane, bright white. They're gonna look awesome. So we'll get all the priming done. The weather's just been killing us. I mean, it's I've got other projects to get to, and I've been having to call the customers and explain, but I mean, everybody understands it's raining outside. It's not, you know, it's not just raining here on our projects, it's raining all over the place. So no one's upset or anything. They just understand that that's part of the business. When you're painting outside, summertime, you know, you have to contend with rain. So our next project is another industrial painting project over in Lakeland, Florida, and we're actually supposed to get started on it, I think, the end of this week. And it's already Tuesday, and I had to email my point of contact at that industrial plant and let them know we're just getting hammered here with rain every single day, and it's really hard to get this project completed. And he understood and just told me to keep him in the loop, and when we're done here, he's the next project on the book. So as soon as this project's done, we'll be over in Lakeland and we'll start tackling that industrial project over there. So but like I said, they'll finish washing those over there, over the backside. You can see them back over there. Kind of. Should be able to get all those finished primed today. I don't know what this weather's gonna do. Get over here and get these tanks primed tomorrow and Thursday. And I'm hoping on Friday, you know, weather up, you know, pending weather, I want to start getting the finish coating applied to these tanks. I've got to have this project done next week and get over to Lakeland and start that one. So, but it's a great project. This is a great company, really great people to work with and deal with and communicate with. Big project, 27 silos. And there's a lot of them kind of manipulating and maneuvering through all these silos to get this job done. So it's quite challenging. I've been in the business here for, I don't know, a little over probably 25 years now. So I enjoy the challenges and trying to figure out how to tackle these projects and making them come out flawless and stellar looking and everybody be happy and make our money and get on to the next project. Again, we want to thank Petro Choice. We really appreciate the business. But again, this is Dustin with Orlando Painters, LLC. www.orlandopainters.net. Thanks for watching this video. We certainly appreciate it. Have a wonderful day. Thanks.